Who this? It is me, it is I, it is your girl Brown. I pull up in the ladder, where the veteran daddies at? All of them fool, it don't matter, no. 0 to 102, then you send me flex, you. All up in that section, you, I accept you. Then I get a text come through, so I show you what my legs can do. Sweet melody, wind up your body, baby. You love it, baby, girl, you know me need it. This is the wig. This is what is given before I actually do the tinting of the lace and the cap method. I just wanted to see, but it has a lot of space that you could work with as far as the lace comes all the way down. I'll probably cut right there. But yeah, it's really like. All right, let's get started. I really don't know what I'm doing, but the least I can do is try.
You a bad girl and your friends bad too. Oh, you got the swag, so she drip the swag too. You a bad girl and your friends bad too. Oh, you got the swag, so she drip the swag too. I may be young, but I'm ready to give you all my love.
My gold crease. I already filled in my eyebrows a little bit. One of them is bigger than the other, but it's okay. So I just go in with this right in the creases. Nothing crazy. Nothing crazy. I've honestly been doing it since high school. I don't do it every day, but it's a part of my signature look. You know? Simple. It's really hot in here, so I'll be back. What do y'all think? You know you gotta take your pictures. outfit. Doing that mat. Let's see what it's giving. I think this would be the better move. What y'all think? I think I look cute. So it is about 6:25 a.m. We are finishing up, getting ready, and then we are gonna head out. I believe I do have a full week ahead. When I left work on Friday, I had about 10 kids in a portal for registration, as well as I believe we do have a Veterans Day program today. So yeah, I'm excited to just have new hair because, you know, sometimes when you're in the hustle and bustle, you don't really feel like making time to take the time that it takes to pour into yourself. But you know, I am trying to rediscover who I am, and getting up, putting clothes on, and doing your hair is a part of that. So I hope you guys like it. This is the Spiced Cognac. This is a Swirl Sister outre wig. So yeah, I didn't do too much. I would like to do some sideburns, but I don't have time. But this is what it came out to be. I just have on this old school army jacket, some pants, and a shirt. So it's time to head out. I will talk to y'all later.
1,000 years later.
What's up, everybody, and welcome back. I am currently on my break. Please don't hit me because the man said to slow down. So y'all can see. Could have let me go because he don't know how to back out. Anyways, so I was finally able to do my hair. I'm definitely feeling myself as I should because I wasn't feeling the way I'm feeling right now, you know? So it's always when you get your hair done that ain't nobody trying to look for you. Like, why ain't nobody asking me to go out for drinks? Or, well, I mean, it is 11 o'clock on a Monday, but where the veteran daddies at? Come on, where the veteran daddies at? I'm okay. But anyways, yeah, like dang, when you get your hair done, where the people at that was looking for you when you ain't had your hair done? See, you see how that work? Sometimes it just be God's protection. That's all it be. But anyways, I am on my break and I am about to go get something to eat. It may be a salad from Whataburger, or I may end up just getting something else. I'm not sure. I am finally off work today. Today ended up being a pretty good day. All of the kids that I thought were gonna come today actually did not show up. So it's safe to expect them tomorrow. Maybe some parents had the day off and they just was like not trying to get out the bed to go handle school business. So that's what I'm thinking. But it's about 2:30. I'm waiting outside for Lexi. And then once I pick her up, I may head to my sister's or I may go home first. So I don't know. Because I want to see my nephew. Oh, we're getting donuts.
You want to work for that? Huh?
Okay, food double spicy. Perfect. Thank you, man.
You can have it.
Somebody give me a Snapple. Snapple.
What a day. I ain't even really want to come on camera because that's ugly. But I am about to get ready to fold these letters and put them in the envelopes and mail them off Thursday. So I have they are truancy letters. I think I told y'all about this before. I do attendance as well, so you don't take your kid to school, you can get a court warning letter. Might need to back y'all up off of me, you know. I don't want y'all to be all up in my head. But anyways, and we got a good little hefty stack. Alright, you guys, I am now off work. Have to pick up my daughter and then I'm headed home. My mom is coming over, so I am excited to see her. She had been staying at my sister's house, helping her out with the baby, but she's gonna come to my house tonight. So we gonna chit chat it up, have a little girl talk, make it zoo. Oh, go ahead. Go ahead. We're gonna have a little girl talk, make it do what it do, because even at my big age, when I'm going through stuff, especially men problems, I'ma talk to my mama about it, because you know, she knows me and my mom is fair, you know, she's fair. She'll tell me if I'm wrong. She'll tell me if, hey, you don't deserve that, or she'll tell me, you doing too much. Like, I don't have one of them moms that just sides with me because I'm her daughter. No, like, my mama really give me good advice and will tell me about myself, as she should. I mean, that's what mothers are supposed to do. If I'm wrong, I want somebody to tell me that I'm wrong. If I'm doing too much, I want somebody to tell me, you doing too much. And sometimes we don't be, I'm sorry, I don't know what's going on with the light, but sometimes we lose sight on if we doing too much. So sometimes it's good to have people that, it's good to have people that will actually rise to the occasion, you know, be mature, talk it out, figure things out, like. And so honestly, my mother is the only person that that will talk it out. Do y'all believe in zodiac signs? Like, do y'all follow the different zodiac signs? Because, you know, I think that's, a lot of people are really big on zodiac signs, and I am on the cusp of Taurus and Gemini, so your girl is cuckoo. No, I'm just playing. I am a Gemini though, and It ain't nah. All of y'all that's talking about, oh, she two-faced. Oh, she two-faced. She got 2 sides. First of all, no, I don't have no 2 sides. I have 6. 6. So come correct. Talking about some 2. Get it right. But anywho, like I was saying, I forgot what I was saying. But now I'm in traffic anyways, and the police behind me, and I'm riding dirty. I'll talk to y'all later. One thing I did want to add, and this is totally not related to anything, while I was just briefly talking about my mom, I do want to say to those out there who have both of their parents and you young and you don't appreciate your parents, like, you better watch yourself, for real. Watch yourself, because when that day comes and you don't have them, you're gonna be missing them and you're gonna be wanting them. So do not take your parents for granted. If you have your parents and they are able-bodied in their right mind, you can talk to them, you don't take that for granted. Our parents are getting old by the day. You should never disrespect your parents. I'm talking about little kids, teenage kids, adolescent, adults, grown-ass adults, 50-plus adults, 70-plus. I don't care. I'm talking. If you got your parents and they still try to look out for you, you should appreciate them while you have them. Because best believe, when you lose a parent, you lose a piece of you. And try living life without your mama or your daddy and see how that feel. I'm sorry. My bad, y'all. I just had to. Cause people be playing. People be playing. You don't understand. You know, people ain't always gonna be here. And just to see people just play. To see people just play on the elders' top. To see people just treat your parents like whatever. No, I'm not okay with that. I'm not okay with that at all. Let me get my daughter and go see my mama.
Wow, we got 3 layers.
Wow.
We got 3 layers on the fashion kit.
What you got up in there? Show me what you got, shawty.
We got some of these. I don't know what this is.
How you supposed to be doing fashion? You don't even know what the materials is. That's a thimble.
These are them things where you undo it.
Undo what?
The string.
The string.
There's some measuring thing in the barber.
Oh my God.
Some needles. Some pins so you can pin your stuff down. Them things, and then we got a bigger one. My watch.
Y'all ever check y'all teenage daughters' purses to see what they got?
Let's do what's in my purse.
What's in your purse?
So
Hold on. What's in your purse?
My charger.
Put your seatbelt on, girl.
Sorry. So
For them lips.
this is really good. I was an aquifer girl, but now I'm a cocoa butter girl. Cause this,
What is it?
Oh yeah. Hydrating lip therapy cocoa butter. It's from the hair store. My badge, key, watch. Where is my pen? Lip gloss, missing pen. What about that pen? No, not the Dorothy pen. Oh, handy dandy pen. We don't write in pencil over here. Yeah, that's what's in my bag.
So if you don't write in pencil, then you can never correct your mistakes. How?
You get some whiteout.
Who has whiteout?
My teachers. Or you scribbly.
That's ugly. You're almost an adult. What you, adults don't scribble scratch. You mess up, you start over.
I guess I'm gonna start over.
But for real, they got whiteout? Like the tape whiteout or the liquid whiteout? Cause it's been a minute. I work in the office and I ain't seen no whiteout in a minute. Because everything be electronic. So if you mess up.
Forget all that. Why does Cuban bumped into me in class? Like she pushed my chair, almost fell over the table. I said, excuse me? And when she got out of class, she was like, excuse me? Excuse me? But that's why you can't speak English.